Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of December 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Okay, so let's see. As you all know, I was not able to upload my videos earlier since my voice, you can hear my voice also right now, it's not too good, but well, I have the energies today for making videos for you. For my lovely Cancers, what is there for my Cancers December 2021? Let's see, past, present and future energies. Whatever energies are coming up there for my Cancers, please universe, give the guidance for my Cancers. One more. Okay. At the back of the deck we have the Seven of Cups. This tells us over here that you might be in a sort of some confusion. It could be a confusion in regards with some kind of a new job, new situation in life, new love, but something. This could be a relationship or a communication with someone with whom you are feeling that, you know, the communication is going really well, but I don't know where to go. Where should this relationship lead? So you are in that sort of answering or asking answers from the universe that what is exactly the situation, please help me. Okay. In the past we have the Hanged Man, Nine of Pentacles and Two of Cups. Yeah, okay. So this is some kind of a determination towards something. Okay, I feel that you have always tried to understand a situation in your life in a way of different perception. Okay, it could be like financially, let's say that you're trying to invest something, you are trying to invest money on your stocks, on your shares, on your anything in life, but you are really trying to think about it in a very different perspective. That is what I am seeing. It could be a love situation as well, okay? But definitely there was a partnership involved. You were thinking, you were putting efforts, you were not just putting efforts unwillingly, you were willingly trying to put efforts and you were happy about that situation. In the present we have the Devil, Ace of Cups and Page of Cups. This tells us that you are in a state of dreaming. Okay, you are dreamy, you are feeling attractive, feeling seductive towards someone. This could be a new relationship, but it feels like you are thinking a lot, or your person is thinking a lot about this new situation, new love. Okay, this is definitely a new love, definitely for some of you. It could be financial thing as well, where you are, you know what happens that when we get something or when we get a hope from someone, all of a sudden we try to see in a very different perspective, like, you know, okay, so this person is going to help me, okay, so what next, you know, I can achieve that position in my life. You start to dream. Dreams are not bad, but still I see a lot of dreamy situation in your life where you are happy about it, but at the same time you're confused whether this is going to happen or not. Pardon me. In the coming future we have Page of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles and Five of Cups. Okay, take decisions in that way that you do not have to regret later. Okay, because I feel that you are putting a lot of efforts in whatever situation you are in. Yes, you are definitely putting a lot of efforts in that thing, but do not regret later, do not see the negatives later. If you are getting some hints about that situation in the present, Keep on doing that, keep on taking those hints and learn to, learn the mistakes from that situation here. Okay, we are going to clarify what exactly your future energies are in a little while. Let's start the clarification. 7 of Cups, please, for my Cancers. Overall energies. Why the overall energy is 7 of Cups for my Cancer? What's going on? 9 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords and Justice. This could be a situation where you are already dealing with a divorce. You are independent, okay? You are independent in the situation, but still you might be dealing with some other things. A divorce, a separation of another sort. Financial separations, financial situations you are dealing with. But there are two things in your life. You are dealing with something big in life, and all of a sudden things have gone really good around you in accordance with the situation in which you are confused. Okay. Let's see the Hanged Man energies. Let's see. Two of Wands, 8 of Pentacles and 8 of Cups. You had a lot of plans in the past about the situation. If this is a financial thing, you planned it out in a very beautiful manner. You worked things out, and you actually worked on that. And the way you were working in the situation in your life, it looks like, it's really beautiful. Like the way you are planning things out are really beautiful. Like in the Money Heist, how the professor is planning, nobody knows, in a very unique manner. So this is you I'm seeing over here. You are planning things in a very different manner, but somehow things didn't go according to what you are planning. 8 of Cups. Let's see. 9 of Pentacles, please. What's going on with the... Why 9 of Pentacles is here? 4 of Wands, 6 of Wands and the Devil. Oops. It feels like things were temporary. You won that situation in life. You won something, but that was temporary. It was a success which came towards you, but it was temporary. It could be a relationship. You were the one who was, who was liked by the other person, who was loved by the other person. But it was temporary. Things you planned out, you worked on things, they went well that time, but not for a longer period of time. This is what is coming up in your past energies. Tell me about this Devil energy in the present, because Devil I have got twice in your situation. I feel whosoever this person is with whom you are dealing with, or whatever situation you are in, is temporary. 10 of Wands in reverse. The Tower and Temperance. See, I told you. I feel that with this situation or with this person with whom you were dealing with in the past, it's been ended and it is coming towards a closure. Okay? Because there's something in relation, because I told you there are two things at a time you are dealing with. One is something which was big, but it is coming towards an end because you want closure from that situation. You are wanting to dump your energies, dump your bad energies into that. You do not want to take this load. You are offloading now with the situation. The universe is making, if you are not able to find that offloading, it's happening, okay? Or you are going to see things going towards you, going according to you. You might not see them at first, but things are going according to your plan. Okay, so Page of Cups. What is this Page of Cups? Why is it here? Five of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and Seven of Swords. Okay. I feel you were attracted towards something with whom, in the temporary situation, also, I'm telling you, with whom you are dreaming a lot. This person is also being the Knight of Wands around you. The situation in which you are dealing with, if you are investing a lot of amount into something right now, try not to, Cancer, because since it's an eclipse season as well. So do not invest huge amount into anything at present. Try to less, okay, try to reduce the amount, because you might be deceived, you might not get the returns back the way you want in other things as well, I'm saying. Okay, coming future, Page of Pentacles for my Cancers, Page of Swords, Moon, and the Fool. Okay, so those people who are ready to take some risks in life, as I told you, financially as well as other risks, if you are planning to take, try not to take, okay, because things might be fishy around you. You might see the happiness in front of you, but it might not be the happiness. Actually, things are already hidden. Somebody is going to hide some situations, might be some online stuff. Somebody is trying to hide some chats from you, hide some messages, calls, anything it can be. But there is definitely there are some hidden energies which are coming towards you in the month of December. Okay, let's see what's going on. We have the Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles energy. Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, and Seven of Pentacles in reverse I have. Putting a lot of effort, but at the same time not wanting to put more effort. Okay, so this is contradictory situation you are dealing with, Cancers, in the coming future, in the coming December. It's like you have to put efforts, you have to work hard into a situation, but you do not want to put any efforts anymore in that situation. It feels like you want to enjoy your life in a very different manner, in a very new manner, new, passionate, romantic, if for some of you. But this is definitely an energy of newness in life. Okay, you do not want to continue the same things which were happening in the past. The reason I am saying so slow, because of my throat. Otherwise, if I talk fast and fast, I might just start coughing. Okay, so last card, let's see. Five of Cups energy. What's there in the coming future for my Cancers? The World, Tower, and Page of Cups. Wow. Okay. For some of you, there is a message, or there is a new offer coming towards you. If you have applied for a new job, yes, the offer is coming towards you. It's a big yes, because you have actually worked for that situation. It's a yes for those people who are trying to learn something new, as in new art, new something. Okay, might be some people might be learning tarot, some people might be going into astrology, or anything new talent basically. Okay, so for those people also, it's a yes, because it's not the time to regret in life. Whatever you are dealing with, things are coming towards you in a very, it might be coming towards you in a different way. Like, you might be expecting something to come from this way, but it actually came from that way, but it is coming towards you. Okay, that is the situation, that is the thing, that is what is important. Your goal is important. Okay, it doesn't matter from wherever you go, but you are reaching at that place, that is important. Well, I am done with your reading over here, Cancers. Thank you for bearing me with this bad throat, and thank you. So that is all from my side. I hope you like it, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.